Crowdin is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses deliver multilingual products. Crowdin lives between the systems you use and your translators to help you manage content localization. For example, you would connect your GitHub repository or your Zendesk with Crowdin, then invite your translators, and Crowdin will help you manage your translations in the most efficient way while saving your budget. Crowdin as a tool is most useful when your source content is being frequently added or updated. Crowdin will pick up your changes, so you don't have to worry about that, as well as put the translated content where it should live. As there will never be a final version of your app or website or knowledge base, having a continuous localization tool is crucial for multilingual businesses. Crowdin has 2 editions, but in this demo we'll go through Crowdin.com, which is widely used by developers and teams alike. Crowdin.com has more than 2 million users, has a free plan, and is super easy to get started. If your objective is to localize a mobile app, a knowledge base, or anything which does not make the whole business multilingual, then Crowdin.com is your go-to solution. For big companies with a lot of content to manage, we recommend using our separate product, Crowdin Enterprise. It comes with more security configurations and granular permission management, so it's suitable for managing hundreds of localization projects. Both editions offer a free trial. So let's start by creating a Crowdin project. And in this demo, I'm going to show you what a simple project setup would look like. So essentially, this is very easy. First, you want to give your project a name and then check the visibility settings. Public projects are open for anyone to contribute. If you will manage an open source project or you want to localize your game in many languages with the help of your community, then this might be an option for you. Private would mean that you will invite professional translators to do the job. Or you can use machine translation engines, but your content should not be publicly available. It'll only be visible to you and the people you invite. First thing after creating a project is the content. What should be translated and how will the content flow to this project? In most cases, you will click Setup Integration, as you want your source content to come to Crowdin automatically, as well as translations to return to the places where they should live for every language. There are currently over 500 apps and integrations that you can use to integrate your content between the tools you use and Crowdin, or to extend your workflow. Upload files is useful when you just need several Word documents translated. Now, to keep this demo short, I will just hit Use Samples. And now when you have something to translate, let's involve translators. For that, you could click Buy Translations. Tasks in Crowdin are basically like orders. And one of the ways to request translations for your content is to create a task. Make sure to provide as much context and work description as possible, because this is very helpful for the translators. Let's assume you'll translate with a translation agency. If you already work with a company, you should invite them to Crowdin. If not, you always have the Crowdin Language Services option available. This is a meta translation agency integrated into Crowdin, where we will choose the right vendor depending on your content and preferences. Let's choose Crowdin Language Services for this demo. Next, you want to select the content that needs to be translated and your target languages. You'll get a precise estimate of how much that will cost. Then you want to accept the terms of service, pay for the services, and that's it. Your content is now being translated by professionals. And now you know how to translate content with Crowdin. There are many more features that you might find helpful during localization, but these were the core steps. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out how to set up integrations with GitHub, Zendesk, HubSpot, and other tools. What would change in your workflow is that you won't upload files. The content will come to your project via integrations. Feel free to email us or book a personal demo with our team. We'd love to share best practices in your niche. Have a great day and happy localization.